The goal for this item is that your child demonstrates a trial and error approach to problem solving with constructive toys. And so what we're looking for really is things like we can use Legos, we can use Tinker Toys, Lincoln Logs, and that they're building something, creating something, and when it doesn't work or it doesn't fit, they come to try to find a new solution to the problem. It requires a whole different level of thinking, and so that's when it's very exciting to see when your child starts doing this. So you can encourage your child's skill in this area by we generally, the Tinker Toys at least come with a little picture, and your child will look at it and pick the hardest one to do, definitely. So you want to so one tricky part about this, when you're building with a kiddo that's very let's say not flexible, it's a little tricky because they want the thing that they build to look exactly like the picture that's on the paper. So you have to try to encourage them, at least initially, to pick things that are a little easier to make. And so you would want to pick something like the house so that they can do as much of it as possible. And every time you're looking at the picture or you build something like to get started, or they're building something to try to make it, you can say, oh no, take a look, it's a little different, we have to find a different one. That's how you can encourage them to figure out how to problem solve when it's not matching, and then eventually they're going to start doing that on their own. So be very involved initially, help them solve their problems, and then slowly ask them, well, what can we do to solve that problem, to encourage their thoughts.